You were mentioning when you received a voice message from us that,
Yes.
okay, Mukul, we've seen your struggles and we're really sorry that we could not support you, but yeah, we are really looking forward to work with you now. So how did things change after that? Like, what all happened after that?
Yeah. So as soon as I received that message, I thought, okay, since I knew everything about my store, I knew how to upload my designs, how to create my products, and how to advertise it. But the only thing I was struggling in that I wasn't having any fulfillment partner. So then I was introduced to the Chinese fulfillment company. Then it was told to me that yes, you just need to just send your Excel sheet to that guy, and they will be delivering all your products. So I said okay. And since I was super flop in testing products, so I was super excited to test t-shirts now, because I thought that yes, t-shirt has some uniqueness, it has some unique codes and all. So it was also close to my heart. So I thought yes, it can be fun. So I again started my store. I started doing research. I started testing products. I started getting few sales, but again, I was not profitable. And I think it was March end when I calculated, and I was in loss of around 86,000 rupees. And I was completely disturbed because of that, because whatever I earned through reselling and all, I just I just kept losing them through these Facebook ads and all. So it was not going in my way at that time. And then I was definitely in touch with you, and I just left you a message that I won't be able to continue this. I think this is not made for me, and I want to leave this because I have only 12,000 rupees in my account right now, and I won't be able to continue this business. I just left this message to you, and you just gave replied me that I'll be having a call with you tomorrow at 12. So I said okay. I just paused my ads. I was waiting for your call, and suddenly there was an issue that you couldn't come on to that call because you were stuck somewhere. And I got a message from Srijan that Nishkash will be here. So I was super down, and I thought, yeah, I'm getting some hints that I should leave this. And then suddenly, after 15 minutes, I got a call from you. I still remember that call, and I'll definitely remember it throughout my life, because that call changed everything for me. It was a call where I had to listen too many harsh words from you. Uh, I just, as soon as I pick up your call, you just told me that if it is not working for you, just leave it and just shut your ads and shut your store, and that's it. That's the end. I said, uh, being a coach, will you say this kind of things to me? So I still remember you told me that, yeah, because you want to do this, you want to end this, and you are not at all serious about this. After reading your messages, we thought that you are serious about this business, but you are thinking that it is a money earning scheme, and after investing 40, 50, 60,000 rupees, you will get lakhs of rupees, and you are not able to do this in your initial period, and you want to leave. So go ahead and leave it, because this is not meant for you, as you rightly think so. So I said, what it is, yeah. Again, he's telling me that you should not do it. He should be motivating me, because somewhere in my mind it was coming that, yeah, I'm enjoying it. But again, because of money, I have to lose these kind of things.
Hmm.
So I said, okay. So I became very angry. I still remember I became very angry, and you just told me that if you want, you can just continue for 1 or 2 days, and you can just leave your ad accounts and store and just close it. So I said, okay. And one more thing, yeah, you told me that either be completely into this business or be completely out of this business. There is nothing in middle, that
Yep.
you keep
Yep.
on investing while thinking, whenever you go to sleep, you will be thinking that I have invested $25 tonight, and I don't know how much will be left tomorrow in my account, and whether I'll be able to generate some sales or not. So those things kept on going in my mind, and it was just so disturbing that time. I hang up that phone. I went to my room. I was very much upset. My wife came to me. I still remember my wife came to me. She asked that what is it all about. So I told him that he is telling me that you can quit. You don't have it new. So my wife told me that, are you serious? And do you seriously think that he wants you to quit? So I told him, yeah, that don't talk about all these things. I am not. I am already confused, and you are asking these kind of questions. So it was very scary night for me.
Mm.
Then she told me one line that I
Mm.
still remember. She told me that, I don't know whether you are getting profit from it or not. I
Mm.
don't know whether you are selling this, you are able to sell this or not. But I know one thing, that whenever you get any sale, it makes you super happy. And I know that 2 months or 3 months back, you were scared to touch your laptop, you were scared to touch your mobile and insert your card. Right now you are selling in USA, and you are super happy whenever you get a sale, or whenever someone just like your post or share your post, you are super happy. So what I feel is, at least you should think that whether this thing is giving you happiness or not. It doesn't matter whether you are getting money out of it or not. You can borrow money from somewhere, you can take loan, you can take loan from me. She used to have her FDs and all, so she told me you can have money from me. So I thought, yeah, this is going somewhere else. And one thing got stuck to my mind. Yes, whenever I get a sale, whenever I launch my campaign, whenever I hit that publish button, and whenever I upload any design to my store, I feel super happy. I feel super happy, and every time I publish my design, I feel that this is the design which will be all over USA. People will be wearing that design, and I'll be so famous. So that thing stuck to my mind, and I thought, okay, 12,000 rupees are in there in my account. Let there be 12,000 rupees. I'll spend those 12,000 rupees within a day. I'll run 4 to 5 campaigns. I'll test 4 to 5 designs in a day, and let's see if it gives me sale or not. And otherwise I'll quit it. I thought that thing. That another day I launched around 5 campaigns. I still remember, because again, it was told in the course, it was mentioned in the course that you have to launch at least 2-3 designs a day, so that you can come close to you can cover up the testing phase and you can get a winning design. But I was not doing that because I was so much scared of losing money. I was thinking that I'll be losing $25 if my one design fail. If my 3 designs will fail, I'll lose $75. So I was not testing properly. And then I thought that, yes, let me try out all the designs I have on my store. I tested around 4 to 5 designs, and luckily one design gave me almost 4 sales in a day, in that particular day. And I was over the moon. I was thinking that if I test 4 designs, it gives me 4 sales. I launch 16 designs, it will give me 16 sales. I'll keep on launching these kind of designs. At least out of 100 designs, one design will work, like give me 100 or 200 sales, and everything will be covered. I sat with my wife. I told her that you were completely right, and I need to get in touch with Nishkarsh or anyone from the course, and I need to tell him that I am not quitting. Otherwise, they will block me or they will leave me, that this guy does not have anything in him. So I quickly messaged you the screenshot. I think I was able to cross $100 that day, and I got $108 sales. I shared I think 4th of April was the date. I still remember when I crossed my $100 day, and I made a huge post on the group as well, that I crossed $100, and I shared a screenshot with you. Again, I received a voice note from you. I kept it listening whole day, that you have done your part and now you have to move ahead. And I was super happy. And that was the day I realized that I have to go after my happiness. I don't have to go after earning money or earning fame or earning big things. I need to understand that where my happiness is. And from there, it was completely a different story for me.